Hi, in this last video for the week I wanted to give you a little bit more information about the Windows 7 System Restore process. Windows 7 makes System Restore points automatically by default about once a week unless it's not able to run and whenever it detects a significant change to the system. Also, as I indicated in a previous video, a properly running install process can take a system restore point as part of the installation. However, viruses, malware, malfunctioning programs, and things that just aren't produced very well will sometimes not do that. So this is why you want to let Windows make system restore points as it goes. Now again, if we go back into our computer properties, right-click the computer icon, bring up the system settings, and go to the system protection item, we can bring up the system dialog box and the system protection tab should be highlighted. If not, just click it. You notice we looked at creating a system restore point and we looked at using the system restore point, though we didn't actually go through with it. Well, here's the third button on here. I'm just showing you for completeness. Configure. This brings up a dialog box where you can change your system restore settings. Here you can tell system restore what to choose. Now the top button should be chosen by default. That's restore system settings in previous versions of files. This is the one that most people will want to have checked. It uses a little more disk space, but it gets you the best coverage. Generally speaking, let Windows choose how much disk space to apply and never go and click this delete button, which would delete your old system restore points. If you do click it, and don't do it on your system, I'll show you on mine, it'll bring up a dialog box warning you that if you delete all of those will be unrecoverable and you won't be able to return the system to an earlier settings. So I'm going to hit cancel because I don't want to do that. For the same thing, if you were to change one of these settings, turn off system protection, try to hit apply, it would try to warn you against doing that. We're going to say no, we don't want to do that. No, we're sure we don't. In fact, I want to leave it on. Restore system settings. I'm going to leave all